All right, so the big one here, getting traffic. This entire time I've been talking about how as affiliate marketers, our sole purpose is really to learn how to market, right? Leave everything else to something that's done for you. And so we can't really, we have to focus really hard on getting traffic. And there's two types of traffic, okay? There is paid traffic and then there's free traffic. As I said in the beginning, I don't recommend paid traffic to any beginners because it's expensive. You're probably going to lose money because you don't know what you're doing yet. So focus on that free traffic. Focus on helping others by simply just showing them the steps that you've taken. All right, so since we're focusing on free, I'm going to talk a little bit about right now how there's Instagram, there's TikTok, there's YouTube Shorts, there is Facebook actually just released Reels. So I'm going to focus very specifically on short content, all right? Short form video content. So how do you want to go about doing that? In order to make a good piece of content, you want to have a hook, you want to have a story, and then you want to have a CTA, which just stands for call to action. All right. Now, what are we looking at here? We're looking at 2 to 3 seconds of a hook, 8 to 10 seconds of a story, and then 2 to 3 seconds of your call to action. It's kind of difficult for me to really break stuff down. And, this is something that I tend to do more in my coaching, where I really go in and talk about topics that we can discuss in your content. But for now, I just want to give you guys the template that really does work. And so as an example of this, your hook could be something like how I quit my 9 to 5 in 6 months. So someone that is frustrated with their 9 to 5, someone who really wants to quit, is going to resonate with that. They're going to be hooked by those words. And it doesn't take that long. 2 to 3 seconds is enough for you to either put that on the screen or verbally say it. Your story can be, and I really simplified it for this example here, but you could say, I kept seeing people talk about passive income on social media, decided to take a leap of faith and try it, and then the next scene is you maybe handing over your 2 weeks notice to your job. It could be like a picture of you outside the place you work with the envelope in your hand. It could be a video of you walking up to the door with the envelope in your hand. And then you have your call to action, which could be something like link in bio to learn more. Now, I want to say that link in bio to learn more is, in my opinion, the laziest call to action you can possibly have. I say the laziest because you're not doing any work, right? You're just sending people over to your bio to click a link. What about a call to action that says, comment how and I'll reach out to you, or DM me how and we can have a conversation, right? We're all humans. We're all human beings. We like to talk to other human beings and we like to connect. So when you say link in bio, it feels cold. It feels like you never made a connection. But if you actually take the time to have a conversation with someone, they're more likely to trust you and they're more likely to actually buy. And at the end of the day, hopefully that means that you as a marketer are feeling fulfilled because you're actually getting to know who you're helping. I don't know about you guys, but for me, that's a really big piece of this puzzle. I want to feel like I'm actually helping people. And if I'm never talking to anyone, then I can't really make that connection of, am I making a difference in someone's life? So your call to action can be whatever you want it to be. Maybe in the beginning, it's just link in bio because you're not comfortable having those conversations. But maybe just like me, you'll get to a point where you're like, you know what? I'm looking for more inner fulfillment and I want to make sure that I am helping people. So everyone's different, whatever works for you works, but I just wanted to give you my 2 cents.